Good day, my name is Marcus Walther, and I'm the owner of Pathways to Health, where we specialize in releasing tension and old holding patterns in the body using craniosacral therapy, massage therapy, energy balancing, and other energetic tools and frequency tools like essential oils and flower essences. Due to popular demand from client experiences, we're adding a new service called Nausea Massage. In this massage, we find points in the tissues. Typically, they are built up fascia points. They may be trigger points. They may be other holding patterns. However, they're usually much denser, and with the application of pressure and the release of information, which may include memories or emotions, there seems to also be nausea associated with that, and so clients experience this and find then that the nausea clears and there's a much lighter feeling in the body after that release. So this is a new service that we're offering, and as an exciting add-on to that, you can add on 30 minutes of our puking module for only $50 more. This will get you a bucket and will take the nausea to the next level, where you'll actually expel and release the tension held in the body in a much more physical way. Now, I will make clear that in the fine print, there is an automatic additional $100 charge if the puking turns into projectile or in some other way damaging the room, which creates additional cleaning. So I think this will be an awesome chance for people that have not experienced nausea to really see how that is tied in with what you're holding on to, and to experience greater freedom in your body. Give us a call today or check out our website for more information.